Alright, so on a mission of finding a new cutting board. Now this makes me happy. Just finished 4 miles here at the park. God, it's really nice outside. I was like, I need to come outside, get a run in. Fire, got it done. The last mile was a little tough, but we got shit done. Now it's time to go meal prep because I just ran out of all the food and I gotta go make some more. So let's go cook up. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use for my meal prep. First things first, I start with 85-15 ground beef. A good friend of mine put me on. This is very essential. Get you some garlic to put in there. Trifecta here. The bell peppers give you a little bit of color. Use 1 white onion. You can use red if you like, but I kind of transition back and forth. I usually use rice, but I kind of been going back and forth, and I usually, every time I go to the grocery store, I'll kind of change it up. But this time what I'm doing, just dropped it. Red potatoes here. How I season that. Seasoning, very crucial, remember that. Just because we are eating healthy does not mean that we need to have it dry and very bland. We do not do that around here. So I'm gonna show you guys what kind of seasoning I use to make this a very good meal prep. If you are buying brand new things at the store, please wash them. You don't want to just start using them right away. Get them from the store, wash them before you start using them. So first thing we are gonna chop up is some garlic here. I usually do I get 3, kind of cut them up and kind of just mix it in there. You can do, as many as you like. You don't have to do so much, but I like to, let's do 4 today. Fuck it. Get you a sharp knife here. As the onions and garlic are cooking in the pan, we are going to get started on the red potatoes so that we can kind of already get them in the oven and start prepping that. When it comes to cooking, it's all about timing, especially when it comes to meal prepping too. It's all about timing on everything. Salt on here. Don't be scared. Powder. Don't be scared. As I'm cooking, catching up on the boys' YouTube video, shout out the boy Matt. Okay, so one thing I need to work on is chopping. I feel like that's always been a weakness of mine. So I always have big ass chunks. But yeah, I mean, I've gotten a lot better, but I still got a lot of work to do when that comes to chopping. So don't judge me. did it once again. You know what I say? I say, life is too short. Have that fourth scoop of pre-workout. Enjoy it, treat yourself. Really focusing on getting back to my stretching because I've been neglecting it for a while. So, and I've noticed like as I've gotten older, like I really got to warm up and I really got to get to stretching or I'm going to pull something. So yeah, kind of just really focusing on that, getting back to it at least once a week. Like once a week, I'm going to try to get up to 2 times a week by at least like taking like a good 15 to 20 minutes of just stretching and really warming up. Especially in my leg area, since I'm running a lot, I have to be like still be, flexible, and because my legs be getting fatigued. So definitely, highly recommend it if you are super active and you're a hybrid athlete. Definitely do not neglect stretching. It is crazy busy at the store right now. So I got put in charge for the green bean casserole this year. So picking up all the ingredients. I'm not cooking it, but grandma is. So I know it's getting towards that holiday season. Money is kind of tight right now. So what we gotta focus on is, creating a routine and creating a budget, right? So we gotta make sure our routine is on point. We gotta make sure, it's something that we're doing every day, that we're improving every day to kind of keep us away from distractions. Find a routine that, better works for you. Hitting the gym, doing something that's, active and healthy, and, something that's striving towards your goal. And then budgeting, we gotta budget. We gotta make sure we're cutting unnecessary costs. We gotta, focus on the things that is gonna benefit our life, not, take away, such as, going out a lot and, drinking a lot, or, just spending it on, things that you do not need at this moment. So, take that time. This grind season, man, this grind season, and you gotta, create your budget, make sure you stick by it, and create that routine for you to keep you focused and away from distractions. You want to have tunnel vision these next few weeks before the end of the year, because you want to end this year on a high note, and you want to have this new habit coming into the new year. You don't want to start your new habit at the beginning of the year. You want to already have that habit already going on to next year, so you can just keep building and building. So I know money's tough right now, but we're gonna get through this. We're gonna keep grinding, and we're gonna get there. So just keep pushing. All right, chat. So that is it for this video. Hope you can like and subscribe to the lifestyle. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, anything and everything, do with confidence. Peace.